Hi guys, so I'm going to do in page 46 on number 10, which is perfect numbers. So, the only natural numbers that divide evenly into 6 other than 6 itself are 1, 2, and 3, and if you notice, the sum of those numbers actually equals 6, and so that's what a perfect number is. And so the question basically is, what is the next number that has a property of equaling the sum of all the natural numbers other than itself that divide evenly into it? So I kind of just mostly did a lot of trial and error when I did it. Started adding up factors, see what I could get. And what I got was that 28 was the next perfect number after doing that for a few numbers. And I got 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. That should be 28. And just for fun, if you want to know, of the other perfect numbers, the next two perfect numbers actually would be 496 and 8,128, which I probably would not have gone that far. 28 was far enough for me. And so I kind of looked up if you did the history. I thought it was just pretty interesting that perfect numbers, kind of in the form 2 to the n minus 1, and then times 2 to the n minus 1, as long as n and 2 to the n minus 1 are prime. It's the French sounding word that I don't really want to pronounce and get made fun of. And so I thought those were just pretty interesting. Alright, thanks.